Cam. Hey y'all, I am sick as a dog. No, let me talk to them real quick. Hold on, I'm gonna let you talk to them too. Okay. What do you have? What is that?
Orange.
Orange. Okay. We're eating breakfast. Cam just wanted orange and boiled eggs, but he doesn't want the I don't even know what it's called. He only wants the egg whites.
We have some tea.
Okay, well you gotta talk to them then. What you gonna say?
Hey.
What else?
Hey.
What's your name?
Hey.
Huh?
Hi guys. Today.
Too bad it's not on you.
I know, right? I know, Daddy. We got some Play-Doh. That Play-Doh. This Play-Doh is hard. Let me show you. Show you how hard it is. No. Can't squish it. My brother mixed it up. I can't mix it. See? Can't. Maybe if you keep touching it. And then, guys, actually. Hi. So today, actually, I'm gonna play with these things, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. So let me do that. And here you go. First, I gotta close my eyes. Hey, Dad, can you log for me? Dad, can you log for me?
Yeah, I'm trying to do something. I'm trying to order something.
Okay. He's gonna order pizza. I gotta do that, and I'm gonna see which one I'm gonna pick. Go orange. So, let me show you. Show you how I do it. Is it gonna show me? Yep. I got this orange, and then when I open it, let's see. This orange is not really hard like the other one actually. I'm gonna put it back on it. I know I didn't actually play with it because I'm waiting for my dad to be here. So after that, Dad, can I have a snack actually?
Yeah.
Dad, why about you talk to them about your day at work? You got a new job and everything.
I got a new job and everything.
Yeah.
When did I get a new job?
Well, actually, I don't know.
Come here, Crew. Huh? Hello, guys. I'm back. I don't know if this is dirty or what, but the lighting seems kind of off. Is the lighting off? Or am I not in the light? Let's see. I don't like it. Whatever. I'm back. I was so sick last week. From literally Wednesday all the way up to Saturday. I would say Friday was the worst. Like my voice was completely gone. Thursday was pretty bad too because I went to patient first, and then Friday was pretty bad as well. We're about to take Crew on a little walk. Camden loves taking Crew on walks. So it's a really nice day outside. It's like 50 something degrees. So we're gonna take him on a walk. Let's go. Cam say, let's go. Did you get a bag?
Yeah.
Where is it? Let me see.
It's in my pocket.
It's in your pocket?
Yeah.
All right. Tell Crew, wait up. Wait for us. Cam, come here. Which way do you want to go? Which way?
That way.
Okay, let's go.
But that was the other way.
You said this way. Okay, come on. My sister-in-law is at the house, so that's why we're leaving the garage door up. Stop, Crew. Come on, Cam. Don't play like that, boy. Come on. Alright. I prefer to go this way because he likes to play on the curb anyway. And he'll like go from mailbox to mailbox. Camden. And Carew, I guess, too. Camden, tell them you just had a cake pop. Say I had a cake pop. Cam. Okay, he's focused, whatever. It is so nice outside. Where's Taylor?
Over there.
Where's Taylor? Where is she though? She's at what?
Yeah, over there. Over there.
That's the way we go to take her to school, y'all. So that's why you keep saying over there. But where is she? Where is she? She's at what?
The door.
At school. And where's Daddy? Daddy's where? Daddy at work. Big boy. Stay on the side. Stop at the mailbox. Say mailbox. Good job. Wait for me. Camden, stop. Thank you. Stop and wait for me. You have to wait till I get to the mailbox. Now go. Stay on the side. Thank you. Say mailbox. Stop. Stop, Cam. It's a car coming. Get back out the street now. Come here. Thank you. Get over here. You cannot come on this part right here. Look. Look. Look at mommy feet. You don't come on this part. You stay right here on this part, okay?
Okay.
Alright, let's try it again. Go. Don't fall. Good job. Good job. No, you're not gonna fall. Go ahead. Are you on the right part? Look at the ground. Thank you. Where you gonna put it?
Over there.
Okay. Oh, you so strong. You gonna just leave it right there? All right, come on. We're not done. Come on. You hot? Now, we'll be back, okay? Tell him we'll be back. Now we have to take Camden. Now we gotta take the pumpkins.
Yeah.
And we gotta put these in a dumpster. Here, take this one. You got it? I got this one. Ew. Ooh. That's so nasty. Alright, take that one. Go ahead. Go. Go. Look at your coat. Can you put it in there? We gotta get the other ones. Cut off. Cam, are you trying? What are we doing, buddy?
I want you.
You want me? Why you want me?
Oh.
Hello. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
I have on my ugly Christmas sweater. Camden loves rubbing our stomachs. Not just mine. It's not like a pregnant thing. He just loves it. 11/11. I swear I catch 11/11 like every single day. I am purchasing me and CJ's flights to go to Florida. I went back curly, as you guys can see. I just have it up top, like just all up top right now, so just disregard. This is highlight reel. But yeah, I'm buying our plane tickets for Florida. Back in 2020, CJ, well, I won a trip to Margaritaville with my business, but they had to cancel it for Camden. He's blowing raspberries on my back. Stop. They had to cancel it for obvious reasons. And so they just decided to redo it for our conference experience. So they're literally paying for everything, like our food, like any events and stuff that we go to. They're also going to pay for the hotel for like a 4-night stay. So I'm excited. Like, of course, y'all know how I feel about going to conference. If you've been following me for a while, we have so much fun. And it's only going to be the winners. So it's not going to be as many people there as it would normally be. Our conference our conference is virtual for everyone else, but just for those winners, we get to go and experience it. So I am getting our ticket now. Oops. I need to also go get some birthday gifts for some kids. And I also need to get a Christmas gift for my line sister and her daughter. I swear, like, these kids, it's like they don't need anything right now. None of them, including my own. And I don't know if it's because they've been at home for so long, but they don't need much of anything. So, I mean, I guess that's a blessing. I need to call my mom too, because I wanted to see about adopting a family or 2 or 3 for Christmas too. I don't know if I told y'all, but I earned a bonus. We had a promotion going on for our business where we were able to, ooh, that's perfect. We were able to earn Christmas bonuses, and the Christmas bonuses were unlimited. And so I said when I earned my first one, I was gonna use that money and sew it. Of course, I can give it to my church. But I looked at my dream board the other night and I saw up there that I wanted to adopt a family. And it was like, wow, like, Terry, you literally have the opportunity to adopt several with that bonus. So I earned the first bonus to sew, and then I earned a second bonus because I'm like, if I'm sewing the first, let me go ahead and earn my second bonus so I can have that one to keep for myself and my family. So, hold on. Let me finish this. Y'all, kids be thinking you a jungle gym out here. Please, can you point to something that's orange? Where's the orange stuff? What's orange? That. What else is orange? What else is orange? Okay, that one. Is this yellow or orange?
But they don't know. That's two.
That's chip. Okay. That's nuggets.
Already.
Red ketchup.
Red data. Already.
Your juice. And what's that? Strawberry. Say strawberry. Cam, say strawberry.
Don't put it.
Alright, put the juice down. Cup it. Did you say your grace, Camden? Yes?
Yeah.
Go wash your hands. Did you just touch your feet? Go wash your hands.
I got my feet.
Yeah, you touch your stinky feet.